Hi, welcome back. Session 2 in this beginner meditation series. Let's start with a nice relaxed breath through the mouth. Have a big breath in and a deep sigh. Close your eyes. If you watched the previous video, then you may recall this feeling, what we're doing right now. We closed our eyes, stopped everything else, down to a simple moment of being still and quiet in a relaxed way, relaxing into this moment. Not searching for anything, not trying to get any particular result, just stopping, sitting, staying, and listening. Listening to the body, how it feels right now. And listening to the breathing, how it feels right now. Looking for a gentle, easy, relaxing breath. It could be through the mouth or nose, whatever feels comfortable for you. As we sit here quietly, in a restful, relaxed way, we think about the idea of being peaceful in this moment. Getting a sense of your mind and just trying to relax it, as though it were a muscle that could be tight and hard or soft. Try to soften the edges of your mind, relax and be gentle with yourself right now. Explore what that might mean for you to be this way, to practice being this way. To create peacefulness within your own body and mind. This is where we begin in meditation. This is the place we come to at the start. We'll become more familiar with it if we come to it more often. And that's the point of practice. Come back again to this feeling in your body and mind, sitting still, being quiet, feeling your body as relaxed and restful, soft around the edges. The breath is so soft and gentle. The mind also has a softened type of feeling to it. Peacefulness. Very good. Through the mouth, have a big breath in and a deep sigh. And then open your eyes. Okay, so in the last session, we looked at why are we doing this? And what do we think it is? Well, it was good to think about that. In this session, we take the next step. We acknowledge that we are clear on why we're doing it, or at least some of the reasons why. And we have some sense of what we think it is, which is part of why we would want to do it. Now, if we reach that point, there's something we then need to think about. Setting up a place that we can do it. A suitable place. A workable place that you can come back to. You have an intention. You need to find a place to follow through with that. So, it could be your bedroom, for example. Or maybe it's the lounge room. Or maybe it's in your car. Or maybe it's on a park bench. Ideally, I think, in the beginning, it should be indoors, in a quiet space, where there are no other people likely to interrupt you in any way. The idea of finding a place, it's about creating something maybe sacred. A private space where you can safely go to work on your mind, to create that peaceful feeling. So if you're easily interrupted, well, it's going to be very difficult for you. Another thing, lots of people will say this, that it's really useful to make this place beautiful. Decorate it. Make it a space that is special, that reflects your commitment to working on something, your own mental health. Make a space that will support our intention. Now, of course, it may be difficult for you. I understand that there are so many different situations in people's lives. I'm just saying, think about how you can find a place that will work for you. If you can, this will be very helpful. And go to that place at different times of the day and sit there. Just sit. You don't have to close your eyes. You can just sit there with your eyes open and become more and more familiar with that space, that special place that you have chosen to build a meditation practice within. It can start to feel like home for you. That's what a lot of people say about meditation. It's like coming home. So, the place that you're in right now, the space that you're in, is it clear or is it cluttered? It might reflect your mind. Is your mind clear or cluttered? That's why we want to have a good space, a clear space, because we want to have a clear mind. Okay, let's do a little practice to finish. Close your eyes. Get a feeling for your body, sitting still and quiet in a relaxed way, in a particular place. Where do we start? Well, as we've done before, relax into the feeling. Be aware of breathing in a relaxed way. Be aware of relaxing your mind into the feeling of this simple moment, sitting quietly with a gentle breath. Feeling yourself in the space. Feel the space that wraps around you. We want to sit quietly and peacefully. Okay. Again, through the mouth, have a big breath in and a deep sigh. And open your eyes. So, maybe you have to think about that. Can you set up a private space? A space that supports your commitment to an effective practice. We want to set everything up so that it can be most beneficial for you. And that will become beneficial for everyone who knows you. Thanks very much. Hope to see you in the next session. Take care.